This is the Iron Trader. It is midday trading. Yesterday we went over gold and silver. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go over gold, but the ETF, GLD, and for silver, SLV. We're also going to take a look here at Disney. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the GLD, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, this is a really easy way to trade gold. You can get in and out of it, no issues. If you trade the actual physical commodity of gold, and you buy the actual gold bars, you know, there's a fee, 3 to 4% to buy, 3 to 4% to sell. So you're already in the hole before you even do it. So this here, the GLD for the gold and the SLV for the silver, is a good way to trade that without having to buy the physical. All right, let's look at the charts. Okay, so what we had here on the GLD is yesterday we had a topping tail here and at 188.86. Now, what we want to do is we want to see if that can retest that. We have a good area, that area, and then we have the 185.10 here. Now, if you look at this GLD here, you can see how many gaps here and how many fills here. If this does get sell off, there is a lot of this could really get hammered down really hard. But let's just see if we can go higher. So what we want to do is we want to look at this area right here on the monthly chart, the 193.30 and then the 194.45. Above that, then we got blue sky. But this is the big retest area here on the GLD for gold. Now, your support levels here, we want to look at this 185.10, this 8 SMA here. We want to look at this 8 SMA here. And then if it sells down, then we can go all the way down here to this 8 SMA here on your monthly chart. But right now, you got a sideways action. Gold is really in play. As the dollar comes down, commodities go up. All right, here we have the silver ETF, SLV, another easy way to trade the silver. Okay, what we have here is this here, 23, that's what we're looking to break. If you can close above that 23, then we can go to these levels right here. So then we'll be looking for here is 24.16. Then we want to go here. You're looking at 24.90. Then we look at over on this candle here, where we're looking here at 26.43. Your big retest here is 27.98. Now, what we want to make sure that we do though is if it does sell off, just watch this 8 SMA here. That'd be the first. Support level. There is a gap right here. If you look at the low, you're looking at 21.56, and then your fill here is 21.53. So there is a gap and fill right here underneath. Your 21 here is pushing up nicely over your 50-day and over your 100-day. So this here is a bullish trend. But if you look at it, there's also, if this sells, there's a lot of gaps, a lot of fills here that have to be put in. But let's just see how this can go, and let's watch that 23 area. If it can close above here, then we can go to the next levels here all the way on up. So don't get complacent with it. Let's just see how this all shakes out. And remember, always watch that dollar, because that dollar comes down, commodities go up. All right, here's a stock that's in play here. This is Disney. Iger's back in charge, and he's trying to get everything all straightened out. They're cutting heads and cost cutting here, the whole nine. So let's look at the charts here. So what we want to look at here is your retest level is 143 right here. If you can get above that, then what we have here is this 200 SMA sitting here at 197. And then we have your 50-day at 101.52. Over here on your weekly chart here, you got 101.67. If you can break above, then we would retest this candle right here, which would be 113.53. So right now, this chart, it sold off, came down, went up, and then now it looks like it wants to rally on up here. The stock is in play. Just watch this very key 200 SMA here at 197. That's going to be your big boy, and then that 50 SMA here at 101.52. If you can close above, then you got a good shot here of going higher and even maybe retesting that 118.18. On the downside, watch this 8 SMA here. You want to watch this 100 here at SMA on your daily chart, and then your 21 here at 96.03. Now there is a gap here. See, you can see where the gap is here. So your low is 97.67, and your fill here is going to be 96.91. So there's your gap, and then you'll have your 21 SMA right underneath. So just watch them, and then always look on your weekly chart here. You got 98.15, and then watch this key SMA here at 99.22. But right now you have a really, it looks like a bullish chart here. It just needs to break here above this 200 and above that 50 day. Thanks for watching.